Attention Africa! Dominion TV brings you the biggest gospel movement of all time, the Encore Gospel Celebration of Unity, Stronger Together, featuring some of the biggest names in gospel ministry: Tasha Cobbs-Leonard, Mettle, Hairston, Tye Tribbett, Deitrick Haddon, and many more. From the 19th to the 21st of February. Get your tickets and stream online at celebrationafrica.org. This celebration is hosted by Anthony Anderson with guest appearance Morris Chestnut, Tara P. Hansen, and others. Brought to you by NBC, TERK Entertainment, OCTET Production, and Dominion Television, Africa's premium Christian lifestyle network, now on channel 352 on DSTV and channel 168 on GoTV Ghana. Buy your tickets today and join the movement.